Install the Healthy Together app to help slow the spread of COVID-19 in Utah. We can work together to protect our family members, friends, health workers, and communities. The Healthy Together app helps you assess your symptoms, find the nearest COVID-19 testing center, view test results, and learn what to do if you've been tested for COVID-19. How does Healthy Together work? If you have the app and you feel sick, you can check your symptoms and find out if you should be tested for COVID-19. The app shows you where you can get tested. After testing, your results are sent to the health department. You can view them in the app and find out what to do next. With your permission, app location data can be shared with public health workers to quickly identify where COVID-19 is spreading. This data helps focus public health efforts. You own your data and can delete it at any time. Your data will only be used for COVID-19 response efforts. Location data is deleted after 30 days. When more people use the Healthy Together app, we can slow the spread of COVID-19. Help protect your family and loved ones. Visit your smartphone's app store and install Healthy Together.